Good morning, and thank you once again for joining me here at Harding's Wealth Managers on this Monday morning, the 14th of April. I hope that you all were able to have a nice weekend during this Easter weekend, and that you were able to practice your religious services as much as possible given the situation that we're in right now, etc. I also hope that you're all feeling well, that you're not succumbed at all to any of the coronavirus symptoms, and that if you have, that you're doing everything you can to ensure that you can gain a speedy recovery. Thursday last week, the markets were up to a certain extent. I think the Dow was up a few points and the S&P was up maybe about 30 or 40. But today it looks like we're going to be down on the Dow and on the S&P. S&P is down right now by 1%, and the Dow is down about 1.25%. But we've been all over the place this morning in pre-market open in the pre-market. I did see the Dow down as low as 45 points at one point, but here we are now down almost 300. So we are a little bit higgledy-piggledy as far as the markets this morning are concerned, which is a little bit surprising considering that OPEC over the weekend have agreed to major cuts, some of the largest cuts they've had in, I think, 20 years or so. So I would have expected the market to be up on that news, but there are certain areas that are. It looks like airlines are up. Looks like oil is certainly up 2.5% as far as WTI is concerned this morning. So we are seeing some sectors that are having some gains in the markets this morning, despite the overall market being down. As I mentioned, airlines are up. Well, cruise lines are down, but it's a stock picker's market right now. Yes, you can pick sectors. There are sectors that have been affected more greatly than others during this period, and you want to just position yourself, as I am, for going forward for 3, 6, 9, 12 months down the line. That's what we should be looking at. Hope to a certain extent you were able to spend some time with your family over the weekend. Obviously not physically, but you know, Skyping, WhatsApping, Zooming, however you wish to get some face-to-face time with your family. I was very fortunate with my wife being able to speak with my son and daughter-in-law, and my daughter and son-in-law and their children, and talk about my new grandchild who will appear tomorrow. He or she will be born tomorrow to my son and daughter-in-law, and we're really looking forward to that. I don't know the sex. My daughter-in-law doesn't know the sex. My son and my wife do. So it'll be a nice surprise for us, my daughter-in-law and I. So we're obviously looking forward to that, and I'm wishing them all the best. And our thoughts and prayers are with them, and with them in spirit, if we can't be with them physically. Well, that's about it for now. I will speak to you again in a couple of days, probably on Wednesday. I'll do another little recording for you. Please feel free, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, and then you'll be able to get automatic updates of whenever I load a video, and it'll just bink, you know, all of a sudden you'll find something on your phone or on your computer, and it'll say Harding's Wealth Managers has posted a new video. So please do subscribe, and I look forward to speaking with you in a couple of days. Hope all's well, and yeah, bye bye for now.